Welcome to Fountain International Coaching Center. Myself is Dr. Ramkumar and I am going to teach you biology for this video classes. This is an unique concept and it helps you a lot during preparations of your various PMT examinations. Today I am going to start taxonomy or slash systematics, and this is the starting topic of class 11th. So let me first explain what is taxonomy. So taxonomy The word taxonomy was coined by a French taxonomist A.P. de Candolle. A French taxonomist A.P. de Candolle coined the term taxonomy. As you people might have been knowing that most of the words in biological science either originated from the Greek word or from the Latin word. So this word taxonomy consists of two Greek words. The two Greek words are taxis plus nomos. Taxis means arrangement. Nomos means law. So these two words, taxis and nomos, together constitute word taxonomy. And the meaning of taxis is arrangement, whereas the meaning of nomos is the law. So this taxonomy is the functional science concerned with identifications, nomenclature, and classification of different types of organisms. So taxonomy is the branch of biology which is concerned with identifications, nomenclature and classification of different kinds of organisms. Just to understand the meaning of taxonomy, we have to define these three words. First is identifications. Identifications means it consists in determining that a particular organism is similar to some other known organism. So in this part, that is the identifications part, we can compare a particular organism, that may be either plant or animals, with any other known organism, and there is no any defined rule for the identifications. Now after identifications, we have to establish this nomenclature. Nomenclature means application of correct name to new organisms. And so far we know that in botanical science there is the system of nomenclature called binomial nomenclature. So taxonomist has framed certain rules for naming of organism, that is for the scientific naming of organism. And in the last part of taxonomy we will study classification. Classification means placing of different organisms in different categories according to a particular plan. For classification, we have a defined plan, and according to the character of an organism, we just place that organism in a particular category. For example, we divide all the living organism into two kingdoms, that is the plant kingdom and animal kingdom. On the basis of character of the plants, plant kingdom fall. On the basis of character of the animals, animal kingdom fall. Later on, these things we will study in classification part. Suppose if plant produces flower, it will be placed in the phanerogams. If plant do not produce flower, then it will be placed in the cryptogams, and likewise. So for classification, we have a definite plan, and according to the character, a particular organism placed in a particular category, and this is the classification. Once we finished these three things, that the identifications, nomenclature and classification, the job of a taxonomist get over.